Hello everyone, my name is Prasad and my poster deals with novel combination of prolactin signaling inhibitor promethazine with gemcitabine and paclitaxel to inhibit pancreatic cancer growth. So what is prolactin? Prolactin is a hormone secreted by pituitary gland. It binds to its cognate receptor called as prolactin receptor to induce JAK and STAT signaling. Although the, known of although the role of prolactin is known in hormone-dependent cancers such as breast cancer and ovarian cancer, its role in non-hormonal cancer is not very well studied. In one of the clinical trial, we saw that pancreatic cancer patients have very high levels of serum prolactin. Hence, we conducted this study. We found that prolactin receptor is overexpressed in pancreatic cancer tissues as well as cell lines, while prolactin treatment induces STAT and ALK phosphorylation, which indicated to us that prolactin receptor is expressed as well as the receptor is functional in pancreas. So to understand the role of prolactin receptor, we use CRISPR-Cas9 technology to knock it out, and knockout of prolactin receptor resulted in reduced colony formation as well as spheroid formation in pancreatic cancer cell lines, while it also resulted in reduced tumor formation in pancreatic cancer orthotopic model in C57 black 6 mice. This suggested us that prolactin receptor has an important role in pancreatic cancer progression. Hence, we decided to target the receptor for therapeutic interventions. Unfortunately, there is no prolactin receptor small molecular inhibitor is available for targeting. Hence, we conducted a virtual screening by using iTezo software, and we came up with a number of inhibitors. And one of the predicted compound was promethazine, which is a FDA-approved antipsychotic drug. We used molecular docking program to and found that promethazine binds to the prolactin receptor. Further, we conducted cellular thermal shift assay where we saw that treatment of promethazine to pancreatic cancer cell line protected prolactin receptor towards thermal denaturation. This suggests us that promethazine binds to the prolactin receptor. Then we also found that pre-treatment with promethazine inhibits prolactin-induced phosphorylation. Hence, we conclude here that promethazine binds to the prolactin receptor as well as it inhibits prolactin-induced signaling. Now we wanted to see if we can use promethazine with currently clinically available anti-cancer drugs such as gemcitabine and paclitaxel, and we found that promethazine treatment in combination with gemcitabine and paclitaxel produce significant synergistic activity in pancreatic cancer cell lines. Further, we wanted to see if promethazine inhibit tumor growth in mice. Hence, we used patient-derived xenografts, and we injected those tissues in the flanks of the NSG mice, and we treated with promethazine for 21 days. And we saw that there is significant reduction in tumor size as well as tumor volume after promethazine treatment. Hence, we concluded that promethazine inhibits tumor growth of PDX in NSG mice, and repurposing of promethazine in combination with gemcitabine and paclitaxel is an effective therapeutic strategy for future treatment. Thank you.